Want to turn fixer-uppers into profit powerhouses? Then listen up, because I'm about to show you how to use Redfin like a pro to find your next fix and flip goldmine. First, head over to redfin.com now. The magic starts with a targeted search in the search bar. Enter the city or neighborhood where you want to invest, knowing your market is key. Next, let's refine our search. Click on all filters under price. Set a maximum to stay within your budget for property type. Select house or single-family residence to focus on individual properties critically. Under days on market, look for properties listed longer than average. Say 30 days or more. These might be overlooked gems. Scroll down to the keyword search box. Here's where we get specific. Type in phrases like needs TLC, fixer-upper, renovation potential, or even handyman special. These keywords are signals from the seller that the property requires work. Now, back to the map view. Zoom in on areas that fit your criteria. Look for clusters of potentially undervalued properties. Click on each listing to examine photos and descriptions closely. Pay close attention to the photos. Are the kitchens or bathrooms outdated? Is the landscaping overgrown? These are signs of properties ripe for renovation. Read the listing description carefully for mentions of needed repairs or upgrades. Finally, use Redfin's estimate feature. Compare the current estimated value with the potential value after renovations. If the gap is wide enough to cover your costs and generate a profit, you found a promising lead. Now, get out there and start digging.